You like Trump? Good girl. You like Biden? Come on, man. We cheated. Okay, it's Mailbox Monday, but on Wednesday. What the hell is this? Don't see no letter. No letter, no nothing that I see in there. Breaker broke 20. So I'm guessing this is 390s. I'm gonna put out a guess and say this is 390s. I think that's what his other YouTube channel is. I don't know. I don't watch nothing but the other one. I hadn't caught the other one yet. So that's that. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh. This should be nice. Hopefully I get a new sponsor for sorting station. I hate to give up the one I got, but they're not for sales supplying me in cartridges. So I got a new one to test out. Cartridges. That's all I need for my other one. They're like 45 to 50 bucks a piece for my other one. I'm guessing this is the power supply. This is from my buddy Ed. Edward. I don't want to see your last name on there, but I thank you. shouldn't need that. I've yet to use this on this tip tenor and stuff. I've yet to have to use that on my Metcal as of yet. And this was probably going to be the same way. Ed is a super nice guy. Look at that. That's the consumables. I mean, little. I kind of got used to my Metcal now. This is kind of short here, but it ain't too big to get down in there. I hope this don't come off. Man, that's a way better fitting. Than my Metcal. But nothing to complain about. Other than that, every now and again the one on the Metcal comes loose. It's like a realistic mic jack plug. You know, them weird little plugs. My phone is just going off, going off, going off, going off. Big sturdy pad. Like it's may have been used. That don't mind, I'll take it. This one you have to actually screw out. That Metcal comes apart. So you can get this out, but I guess you pull it out through here. Nice sturdy holder. This has got actually two, you can hook two soldering irons up to it, I think. I've never had one of these. But I'm guessing that's for two irons. I'll have to look up a video on this, see if anybody's got one. I'm sure they do. Look at that. Well, thank you. I'll have to go through and see what, I don't see a book with it or nothing. I'm pretty sure it's a demo. Keep up with all the paperwork and everything with it. I don't know if it's exactly mine or not. I don't know. I don't know if it's just a demo to see if I like it or what. I have to put a sponge here, which that's no trouble. My other one I've been using Dollar General. I just go up to Dollar General and buy some sponges. They cut them out to where I want them. And it cost me about $1. I'm gonna guess at this one for now. I take me a pop bottle. Y'all northerners call it pop. We call it drinks around here. Just a drink. And I take a piece of solder, a rod, just a little piece of wire, and I get the soldering iron hot and just push it through there, and then it does that. Hey, we live ghetto around here. But we'll try that out later. Very sweet. That is sweet. I gotta compare that against the Met cow, I guess. Or maybe not. Get that out of the way. The other box is pretty big. Mr. Wayne out of PA. Your box has arrived. I ain't sure what it is. I'm opening it from the bottom. So don't show your name or nothing. Address. All that rip-a-maroon. Well, I got a piece of wire and some packing peanuts. Don't you just hate packing peanuts? I love them and I hate them. If you want to pack something up real nice and easy, get some packing peanuts. Look like it's right much stuff in here. Maybe the boxes are just for packing. There's some yeah, the connectors. That's good to have. A letter, and another box, and a big box. The light off there. Oh, I got one of these, but it's always nice to have another one. That's nice. I think I remember talking to him. He said that he had some stuff that he didn't use. He was going to try to build amplifiers, I think, or do something, and his got a health issue now where he can't do that, and he didn't need the stuff. And I'll get back with him and see about this. Don't know exactly what that is. That's a nice big bag, and it jumbo. First time I've seen a jumbo bag. I know what these are. Used enough of them. This kind of looks like switches. And I have some of them too, but it's always nice to have more. You never know. Very few boxes is carrying these now like that. And I remember this here. Transistor checker. Brand new in the box. And they didn't use it. I might do I might keep this one and do a giveaway on the one that I do got. It's been used, but it still works. Alright. Nova. Cat. I swear to God, that dog, you can just say the word cat and she takes off after that cat. Nova was outside, the door was open. Nova was outside, and she keeps a close tab on that damn cat. So we don't let the cat outside. She's a complete inside cat, and she'll want to sneak out the door when I got it open. But I got Paw Patrol here. That it's all I gotta do is say the word cat. It really don't make a damn when it is. I can be sitting on the couch or anything, and you can say that word and she'll take off after. Not to hurt her, which the cat and tear Nova's ass up. But the cat still got good claws. But it's funny to me if the cat goes going to get out, that's all I have to do is, Nova was out there playing, and that's all I have to do is say the word, and she takes off out there. She makes sure she don't get outside, what I'm trying to say. Well, you can't ask for no better packing than this. I still don't remember what it is because I have so many conversations throughout the day. My phone's just regular going off now. This thing is dull as hell. I don't really want him to cut through this. Went for the sharp tip on it, it wouldn't even cut through it. God knows. This is one of the dreaded amps that I hate the very most, but I'm going to do my best on it. And the reason I hate this amp so much is because you can buy one cheaper than you can fix the one you got. Back in the 90s when I got into CVs, let's see, I got my license in 86, I think, 86, 87. So, it was around 90 when my friend introduced me to CVs. And these back then, I could get the 600s for a $100 bill. I could get the 400s for a $50 bill. Which at the time I didn't have that money. But the guy that I was working with that got me started doing this, working and fixing and this, that, and the other, he was buying them, reselling them, and I was buying them from him. And I don't even know if he was paying that for it. He was probably getting their 400s for $35. He's the kind of person that will make a profit off of you. Which I guess is what you're supposed to do. But Palomar 600 Deluxe model. This must have a fat girl inside. Might get to have some fun with this one. Well, this will be a later video because I got too much shit to do. How did he put that fan on there? Damn, that's odd. That's pretty cool. If it evidently it holds. It's got screws run down through there and they're tight to the heat sinks. That's pretty cool. It ain't actually screwed in nothing, but if it holds, it holds. And evidently if he done it, you know, you can do stuff yourself and get away with something like that. And you know, hell, if you messed it up, it's you know, you done it. You ain't gonna blame yourself for it. But it looks to be holding out pretty good. The screws are just touching that corner, and the fan's got a little bow in it. It's not naturally wanting to push out. But over time, will this hold? I don't know. But that's pretty cool. I know BBI uses some kind of plastic or something that'll go in between them. Normally I just cock the fans a little bit and put a screw down, and I usually put a screw here, but I drill and tap it and put one of those long fan screws through it. 632 by I think 3-inch long, and put them in it. But this has been a good day. My Fat Boy stuff showed up. A sorting station that I absolutely love and ain't even used yet. It's nice when people think of you. And this here, since I think I still got the box to mine, but I might do a giveaway on the one that I do got. Of course, it'll be used, but it still works great. No issues whatsoever. But we will end this right here. And this is all I got in today, which I did get a little mail in and stuff, but that don't interest y'all. Unless y'all want to pay my bill. That'll be fine. And y'all, this is up to y'all, but I don't really recommend putting a fuse in the ground side too. But that's up to y'all. Y'all do the best way y'all see fit, and it'll probably work out. But if this was to short out, it's going to short out through the hot lead or the ground lead. So you can put the fuse in either one, you don't have to put it in both. So, just future note. I don't think people actually understand what a fuse actually does. And if a fuse is rated for, say, 30 amps and you pull anything over 30 amps, it's supposed to blow it. Because it's supposed to show short, which it will pull a little bit over that. I have seen some 30 amps that would pull 40 amp before it actually blowed. But I mean, if it shorts out, it's going to blow at 30 amps or a little above or a little below. But then again, it won't let but that much current through. I don't know if it's on the, I don't know if how to explain it right, but say if you got this size wire and you cut it in half and you spliced it with this little piece in between it, this is going to be your weakest link, like that fuse is. And when that becomes your so if this needs, it says 10 amps and this wire only carries 10 amps, that's all you're going to get through it. But on an amplifier, the way you talk and it modulates and everything, sometimes that thing pulls a little bit over what it was rated on that fuse, I guess. That's the best way I can explain it. That's the way I was I always talk about that as like put a 90 amp fuse in, you only gonna get 90 amps through it, and if you go to pushing what need 120 through it, it's not gonna let it through it efficiently through that fuse. Up to 90 amps you're fine, but anything over that, it's gonna start getting hot at that fuse, and it's gonna like stop there, and then it won't continue to travel on through it. Is best of my thinking of it, and Junior that explained it to me. So, alright then, have a good day. Later.